Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making sweet potato casserole. To begin, we are peeling 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. Then cut the sweet potatoes into cubes. The smaller the cubes, the faster they will cook. Now, in a large pot of hot boiling water of a medium-high heat, transfer the sweet potatoes in. Season the water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until fork tender. These guys are cooked, drain the pot and set them aside. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in half a cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now whisk, whisk, whisk until evenly incorporated. Transfer the sweet potatoes in. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. Mash the sweet potatoes until you get a smooth consistency. Then lightly grease a baking dish. Transfer the potatoes in. With the back of the spoon, smooth out the sweet potatoes as even as you can. Cover the top with marshmallows. You could use regular sized marshmallows like I'm doing here, or you may even use mini ones, tiny little ones, up to you. Now, bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the marshmallows are golden brown. And if everything goes according to plan, your sweet potato casserole should look like this. There you guys have it, sweet potato casserole. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.